कोई बात नहीं. Hello. So we are here, going to go live. Samreen and I were here till last.
Yeah, we
Very
were
late,
here
till
last
late.
12:30.
And I was up around 7:30 and
A lot
trying
of
to
working.
fix things up. And so many people are here. I would like to take you to all stalls so you can see. Oh my God, thank you. Some people have joined us, they are watching us. So I'm just rotating my camera and we are going to go. Let's start with, okay, let me take you right from the beginning as you enter. So let me give you a virtual walkthrough. Some people from USA, Canada, they have requested us to go live on various times in the day. I would request you to join Pakistan se US Tak and Biz News Today too, because they are going to be our media partners in this. So here we are. Yes, we are here to welcome you to a grand gala. And you see some of the brands, they have brought in their standees and it's been displayed over here. So as you come in, you'll see it's a very good day at Marriott. So many guests are there. It's a Christmas brunch happening outside. And here is, if you could see, the name, the logos of all the young brands who are with us. So as you enter Nadia, we have... Hi Humaira. Okay, so we have Yasfim from Libas-e Khas and this young lady and her mother-in-law. Oh wow, what a so yeah, saas bahu ki jodi. Okay, wonderful. It's a very creative saas bahu ki jodi. You can see their designs. They're amazingly doing. I really love their work. So talk about your work. What is that?
We are dealing in our festive range. We're just dealing in formals right now.
Hanji.
We have the wedding collection
Hmm.
over here. We are just taking made-to-order dresses. These are the sample dresses. These are not for sale. We are taking orders on.
Oh, so these are the pre-order things.
Yeah, pre-order
They have
things,
the clothes over here and absolutely phenomenal work.
This is our
Oh my
Bhima
God,
work, the
wonderful, beautiful.
lace work. We have very heavy calm. Salma Datta.
It's definitely for a young bride probably, or somebody in the family, immediate family. Okay, so please stay tuned. I'll be quickly walking around with more of our clients. What stall it is? Brandam. All right. So Brandam has a good collection too. Listen from her what her stall is all about. Oh wow, this is beautiful. This is so pretty. Absolutely, yes. So we have so many people joining in. Wow, wonderful. So please do drop in because Brandon is waiting for you to have a look at your style. All right, this is yours. All right. So she is with us representing K. Dot Stuff. Yes, talk about it. Kinza. किंजा आपको बहुत सारे लोग लाइव देख रहे हैं और they really would like to come and buy inshallah from you today. So all the best. I see. Wow, wonderful, wonderful. Good collection. And what I like so much about Kanza's work is the cushions she have. आप कंजा के husband हैं? Wow, wonderful. कितनी अच्छा होता है जब husband support करते हैं. बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. Oh my goodness, these young girls, I am so impressed with their works. The PJ's jar. PJ's को देख के सोचती थी अच्छा कोई pajama party and all that. Yeah. All right. All right. That is Mrs. Farooqi's? Oh my goodness. Okay. I worked with Happy Home. My entire family studied from there. So Mrs. Nami knows me very well. All right.
So this is Gajar char, which is actually her recipe. She used to make this herself.
Oh wow.
And The rest are
And there's a lesan achar, there's a mirchi achar, gajar achar, and so many chutneys. So if you are a chutney lover, please do drop in. And they do take orders, and they have some oils too, roasted chili oil, garlic infused. So stay tuned. We have some media people joining us today around 4:30. ये हमारे कुछ दोस्त आए हैं, भाई आए हैं हाला से अपना काम लेके. जिन खवातीन को I personally love this type of clothing. It's very ethnic and traditional. इनसे ही पूछते हैं कि कब से इस फील्ड में हैं. जी भाई, आप अपना नाम बताएं, अपना काम बताएं. जी जोर से बताएं.
एग्जीबिशन करते हैं लाहौर में रांची, दिल्ली, यहाँ पर पहली दफा है.
चलिए जी, जरूर ड्रॉप इन. दिस इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल पीस. You must come in and you'll spot so many blacks, red, maroons, so many colors, greens. Wow. Acha ji, this husband and wife, the couple, they are too creative. They have silver jewelry, if you could see, and they are going to talk about their stuff. हमने तो कुछ स्पॉट भी कर लिया जिस पे अब लड़ाई होने वाली है मेरी और समरीन की कि कौन क्या खरीदेगा. ज्यादा चांस ये है कि मैं समरीन को दे दूं बिकॉज सून शी इज गोइंग टू गो टू कनाडा. दिस इज लवली. ओ वाओ, माशाल्लाह. ओके, टॉक अबाउट इट. कौन बात करेगा? देखा, खातून ने कहा फौरन मियां साहब बात करें.
These are Chandbali.
वेरी नाइस.
पुराना डिजाइन.
And our jewelry की जो खसूसियत है कि इसमें जो stones हैं they are engraved. I mean they are not stick through any glue or something like that, but they are engraved. And then the pearls which we use, you can see they are all good quality pearls.
Wow.
And zircons are of A+ quality. You can see our sets. You can see
I'm sure all those who have a good taste and understanding of jewelry, they'll surely do, inshallah. And they'll be your customers forever, inshallah. This is so pretty too. So please do join them. It's their stall is
B3 KNH accessories.
KNH Accessories. Oh yes, it's colorful cream. My friend Aisha is unwell. I have been her client for a very long time. So I'm going to do a little voiceover on Aisha's behalf. Aisha, if you are listening to us, I really, really admire your dupattas and your clothes and everything that you bring along. ये देखें जी, आयशा का ये बस जब मैं ये दुपट्टा कहीं पहन लेती हूँ ऐसे वाले, तो फिर सारे लोग पूछते हैं कहाँ से लिया है, जो कि एक ही होता है. आयशा, ज्यादा मंगवाए बाप. हाँ जी, कुछ कहना है आपने आयशा के लिए?
सारे इंडियन क्लोथ्स हैं प्री ऑर्डर पर और वेरी नाइस मटेरियल, बहुत अच्छा होता है. ऐसे नहीं मंगवाती हैं कि जो अगर मटेरियल या दुपट्टा उसका खराब हो तो.
और आयशा का एक क्लाइंट सर्कल है
जी.
ओके गुड. हमारे साथ है हाजरा टेक्सटाइल. ओ माय गुडनेस हाजरा, यू आर जस्ट सोएमा, यू आर अमेजिंग. टॉक अबाउट योर स्टफ.
We have some block prints. This is something that we have recently ventured into. We have our own manufacturing. So we have been doing that for a long time. We have diversified into block prints recently for the past few months. We have home accessories, we have clothes, a huge variety. You can see we have table covers which are very popular.
This
We
is
have
very
bed
pretty,
sheets.
Aish.
This is done by local artisans. This is made in interior.
And a lot of tribute to our local artisans, right? ये आपकी support है?
This is Shasta, Shagufta. She's with me. We have shawls also, which are for Karachi.
Yes, and that is all your stuff. अच्छा जी, बहुत कुछ है हाजरा के पास आपको दिखाने के लिए. So please do come and drop in at Native by Hajra too. And here we have the hijabi girls with us. Yes, इतने तरह के हिजाब मैंने नहीं देखे जिंदगी में जितने इनके पास. चल, over to you.
बहुत सारी वैरायटी है. मीन्स गाउन्स भी हैं, मैक्सीज भी हैं, फुल कंप्लीट अबाया कलेक्शन भी है और टर्किश गाउन.
Those are lovely. ये दिखाए ना, ये जो आपने पीछे छुपाया हुआ है, ये वाला. Right, yes. This is lovely. मतलब अगर किसी मॉडर्न खातून को अबाया पहनने में कोई परेशानी होती हो तो प्लीज contact them. This is very traditional, modern, very modern, I must say, contemporary.
Pins and handmade clutches also.
Acha,
These are pins and handmade clutches.
wow, wonderful. So these are These girls are very creative. So please do drop in. They have displayed a rack also for you to see. Wonderful work. And here we have our very own Samreen Masroor. Yes, Samreen, talk about your stuff.
I have the jewelry from contemporary to minimalistic.
And I like this. Samreen, talk about your bangles.
Bangles, they're all steel.
Yeah.
Even these black ones and the gold ones, they're all steel jewelry, steel bangles.
Hmm.
So yeah, you can get any color for your mehndis, for your,
So it's a shadi season. Make sure to drop in at Samreen's stall and buy as many. Make sure कि आज की टोकरी 8:30 से पहले खाली हो जाए. So many people have joined in and it's lovely and it's metanoia. You know about metanoia very well and it's a work displayed over here. If you would like to buy something, we are more than here. Javeria is here displaying her Omorphia. Could you talk about Omorphia and share? Okay, she would like to meet you in person and talk about her work. These are the new collection that we have made. Something to go for your winter attire. So please do come, and we have some good shalwar kameez by the way this time. So you can come have a look and buy if you would like to. Okay, you must be thinking what this Fab Associate is doing with all the ladies around with kapde, jewelry and what not. जी, आप क्या बताना चाहते हैं? आप क्या बेच रहे हैं यहाँ पर? हाँ. पहले तो ये बताएं आपने कितनी दफा स्टॉल लिया, बुक करवाया, गायब हुए, फिर बुक करवाया, फिर गायब हुए, क्यों इतना सोच रहे थे आप? अच्छा, क्या है ये? Could you talk about your project? Okay, it's a super. Okay, so all those who would like to investment है ये, investment है बहरिया टाउन में, please. ओके, शॉप्स है इम्तियाज सुपर स्टोर के सामने. और क्या चाहिए? सारी खवातीन इम्तियाज जाएंगी, फिर आपके पास सुपर स्टोर आएंगी. हाँ जी, काशिफ साहब ने हमें बहुत लास्ट मिनट ज्वाइन किया. इनका लोगो भी नहीं मिला हमें. बिल्कुल आखिरी वक्त रात तक हम इनको बता रहे थे कि हम आपको ऑन बोर्ड लेंगे, नहीं लेंगे, क्या करेंगे. काशिफ साहब तो बहुत डिटर्मिन थे और उन्होंने आके ही दम लिया. जी काशिफ साहब.
वेरी नाइस, बहुत अच्छा क्राउड है, लोग आ रहे हैं, आजकल आ रहे हैं और भी शाम को एक्सपेक्टेड है बहुत ज़्यादा.
इंशाल्लाह.
और मैं तो सेल हो गई है.
आपकी सेल हो गई है माशाल्लाह. तो काशिफ साहब को हर स्टॉल पे बिठाते हैं बिस्मिल्लाह करके, तो इनकी स्टॉल से सेल हुई है. जी, इरम लाई हैं अपने साथ कुछ मल्टीपल कलेक्शन. यस, मैं तो अभी ज्वेलरी पे आपकी स्टॉप हो गई. ओके जी इरम, टॉक अबाउट इट.
आपकी वजह से
बहुत शुक्रिया.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. और देखिए आगे आइंदा इंशाल्लाह.
इरम, आपके डेस्क पे मुझे बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स नजर आ रहे हैं. शेनवन, आइडियाज, और क्या है इनके पीछे कहानी? ओके, फिर तो सारी खवातीन आ जाएंगी जो. ऑल राइट, good, wonderful. This is Kashif and Uruj. Uruj, wave to us please. उरूज एंड काशिफ, यंग कपल तो नहीं कहूँगी, 2 बच्चे भी हैं इनके साथ, 4 माशाल्लाह चले. दे वर सो पैशनेट अबाउट देयर वर्क. काशिफ ने मुझे इतनी दफ़ा वॉइस नोट भेजे, सोच रहे थे कि फर्स्ट टाइम है, क्या होगा एंड ऑल दैट. यस काशिफ, ओवर टू यू.
थैंक यू सो मच. बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी आपने प्रोवाइड की है हम लोगों के लिए, और हमारा ये कह सकते हैं कि लॉन्चिंग ही है.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
यूएनएस के नाम से हम लोग अपना हमारा ये स्टिचिंग है, और ये डिज़ाइनिंग सारी हमारी अपनी है. डिफरेंट किस्म के फैब्रिक्स पे हम काम करते हैं. यहाँ इसमें विंटर फैब्रिक भी है और लीलन खद्दर.
इट्स डे टू डे वेयर, इजी कैजुअल वेयर
एंड सेमी फॉर्मल.
अच्छा, किसी ने मुझसे पूछा था क्रेडिट कार्ड एंड डेबिट कार्ड एक्सेप्टेड, ये आपका? अरे वाह. हिना इमरान, दिस इज फॉर यू. आ जाए यहाँ पर आप. हाँ जी, we have peacocks with us from Tasneem Sheikh. Over to you, Tasneem.
Yes, these are all block printing shirts.
Amazing
and,
work.
These are shirts, these are scarves, these are trousers or the shalwar if you want to make black and white silk or cotton pe bhi hai.
The colors are pretty, something which is
you.
very nice to wear. Yeah.
These are the sarees.
Sarees.
Sarees here.
Ji, Tasneem, talk about it, Tasneem.
Yep, sure. These are all sarees. That's a saree. This is the another saree.
Very nice.
Thank you. And I have shawls as well.
हाँ आपने मुझसे shawls का बिल्कुल very nice shawl. What is the price of your shawls, Tasneem? Wonderful. Yes. So it's not something plain. It's something blocked, exclusively designed. And these are the table mats.
These are table mats, and these are two pieces.
What is this? Show it to us. This is, yeah.
This is a shirt.
Very nice. So there is a lot of beautiful variety of block prints over here. So please do drop in at Peacock's Fabrics by Tasneem. Tasneem, stay tuned. We'll have more people coming in around 4:30 for this. Okay, we have Myra with us. Myra's clothing. This is Myra's work. Good collection, Myra. Talk about it.
Semi-formal with the very colorful collection of different cloth, velvet, raw silk,
Very nice. Good collection. Please do drop in at Myra's, and you'll be so amazed to see this beautiful lady with beautiful clothes. All right. So we have this young kid, I must say. Walaikum assalam. Ji Sameer, बताएं what is all about this?
Basically, we have a cultural set. And we have women empowerment. आप देख सकते हैं ये सारे hand.
Very nice. Something very different which I have not yet seen in the market yet.
Another thing which I have want to mention is that सबसे ज़्यादा underrated profession समझा जाता है art को और painting को. तो basically हमने उस चीज़ को अपनी portray किया अपनी play के अंदर.
Very
ये
nice.
सारी acrylic paintings हुई हैं इसके अंदर.
They are all
including this box.
handmade.
Yeah.
Acrylic.
So please do drop in at Sameer's.
Don't cover this one. You don't want to cover it.
Sameer's stall. Yeah, Woody Wood. मैं तो पता है तुम्हें Woody Wood Packer कहने लगी हो.
Exactly.
I did that. Okay, so actually I'm going to stop somewhere, but before moving to that stall, I have to tell you I was a buyer from this particular brand, and all of a sudden I did not know that one day I'm going to exhibit, and here she is.
Hello,
Gee.
I'm from Poshak, and we are here at the Marriott Hotel, and we have all our selection ready for you guys. The vibrant colors and the ajrak and block print.
And the beautiful chunris, which probably
and the
she's
chunni,
missing
which
out.
I think is the
And the
highlight.
black I'm eyeing at the back. The Susi shalwars.
So drop in and say hello.
Yes, please do drop in at Poshak and must buy. Okay, so this is Style Frenzy. A friend of mine, she is into a very different profession and landed into this venture of sending the branded stuff from USA, right? Shahina, it's for you. I don't know whether you are seeing it now. US में सोई हुई होंगी इस वक्त, and everything original branded. It's 50% off because of the holiday season. So I am sure you'll not be able to get this in half a price. And Samreen is actually trying shaking those bags. So please do drop in. And this is all there. आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं शाहीना के behalf पे? Please कहिए. शाहीना पाजी को कोई मैसेज देना है, आपने दे दे. तो सुन लेंगी, जब उठेंगी तो वो लाइव देख लेंगी. Inshallah. Thank you so much. And here we have this young boy. I don't know where he is now. 9th Avenue is the brand. Where is Umar? In the room. Okay. So what Umar is actually doing, he has started his own brand with one or two of his friends. I'm doing a voiceover for him. So once the Pakistan se US team will be here, you are going to hear his story from him. This is 9th Avenue. And you can contact him, you can meet him whenever you are here. And we have our photographer, Mr. Fateh Rahman. Yes, Fateh, क्या करते हैं आप? किस तरह की फोटोग्राफी करते हैं?
मैं सारी जितनी भी इवेंट्स कवरेज हो गया, वेडिंग हो गई, पोर्ट्रेट्स हो गए, फैमिली हो गई, बेबीज हो गई, सब लोगों की फोटोग्राफी, वीडियोग्राफी एंड वीडियो एडिटिंग।
प्रोडक्ट्स भी करते हैं फतेह? अच्छा,
इंक्लूडिंग प्रोडक्ट्स।
अच्छा, प्लीज ऑल, बिकॉज सो मेनी ऑफ यू आर young business people, so I would suggest you, आपने अपनी प्रोडक्ट की फोटोग्राफी करानी है तो फतेह is a recommended one. Assalamu alaikum. And we have here with us soul sister. Heather is going to talk about on Mariam. Okay, so Heather is a star. Okay Heather, over to you.
बेसिकली ये 14 इयर्स पहले स्टार्ट हुआ था अदनवर से।
ओके।
उसके बाद हमारी स्पेशलिटी ईस्टर्न वेयर थी, वेडिंग और फॉर्मल।
वो दिखाए ना आप अपनी ये ईस्टर्न वेयर, तो जितने लोगों ने दूल्हा बनना है अब वो सारे अदनवर पहुंच जाए। ये देखिए, दे डू वेरी गुड एम्ब्रॉयडरी। हैदर, मैं क्या प्रमोट करूं, आप अपना काम प्रमोट।
हाँ, तो एम्ब्रॉयडरी और स्टिचिंग और मेड टू ऑर्डर जो शेरवानी और फॉर्मल वेयर है उसमें हमारी स्पेशलाइजेशन है।
वेरी गुड।
और कुर्ते, फैब्रिक, और उसके बाद दूसरी तरफ हमारे पास ये जनरल और ट्रैवल गिफ्ट आइटम्स हैं, जैसे टिश्यू होल्डर, डोर हुक्स है, फेस टॉवल्स, ये टॉयलेटरी पाउचेस, तो ये ट्रैवलिंग वगैरह में बहुत काम।
और ये डे टू डे लाइफ में भी बहुत काम आते हैं हैदर। अच्छा जी, मरियम आप कुछ कहना चाहती हैं? अल अनवर इज द नेम एंड आई अश्योर यू दे डू द क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स। जी मरियम।
Target all the masses so that we can cater to our best, and I wait lots and lots of people today.
आप बताएं कितना टाइम लगा मरियम को आपको कन्विंस करने में? फर्स्ट टाइम एट अ गाला। कप ऑफ टी कैसे कन्विंस किया मरियम? भूख हड़ताल?
कर लिया था, फिर मुझे बोला
So Heather is the support behind, right? Heather is the support behind. और अभी एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट सपोर्ट आने वाली है, शब्बीर। शब्बीर, हम सोच रहे हैं कि कोई देखे ना देखे, आप जरूर देख रहे हैं। So we are waiting for you, Shabbir. Do join in and we'll go live some other time also in the day. Thank you so much.